Hey there, check out the POLARPRA 160W LED garage lights that deliver an ultra-bright 32,000 lumens with 6 adjustable panels for customized lighting. These lights feature 312 high-quality LEDs and a daylight 6500K color temperature to eliminate dark spots and glare in your garage or workspace. The panels can be tilted 90 degrees to direct light exactly where you need it, perfect for workshops, attics, or storage areas. Built with premium ABS and aluminum heatsinks, they ensure excellent heat dissipation for a long lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. Energy efficient, they use 85% less power compared to traditional bulbs while providing bright, flicker-free illumination. Installation is a breeze with a standard E26-E27 screw base, requiring no tools or wiring. These versatile lights are ideal for various indoor spaces, offering bright, reliable lighting for all your projects. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.